my name is Evan. I'm a general manager. I give Swept a 4 out of 5, and for more reviews like this, click below. Before Swept, we weren't using any janitorial software. We were doing everything manually offline. Um, and the reason for the switch, obviously, we wanted to streamline our business practices and operations, and that's how we ended up with Swept. So when we first adopted Swept, it was an older version, and even in that older version, it had everything we were looking to solve, which was time tracking, inventory management, and an app to organize all of our inspections into one place. It also had a few other features that added more value to it, but we personally didn't feel the need to use those additional features like communicating with the client or communicating with our staff at the job site. We used other tools to fix those problems. So getting started with Swept was a pretty simple process. It's not very complex. It's a very customizable tool, and so we were able to make it work for our needs fairly simply. So if you're in the market looking for janitorial software, I highly recommend that you adopt some sort of technological tool. It completely transforms the way you do your business. Swept, since I personally have experience with it, I would definitely recommend that you at least give it a try. I don't know if they're still offering demos or trials at this time, but it's if they are, and even if they aren't, I would definitely give it a 1 month attempt, 3 months, a full quarter to really see how it transforms your business and to see if there's value there for you or not.